Bought a new Apple Watch and now get confused that how to attach strap to your Apple Watch? Well, don't worry, you are not the only one. First time, many users get confused how to attach strap to their Apple Watch Series 11 because the attaching method is little different. Yes, you have to wear it differently than any other watches or Android watches. So here I will guide you. First, let me tell you how to attach it. Here, this is Apple Watch Series 11 and these are the straps. Now this strap is on the above side and this one is on below side. So make sure you have to attach this on above side. To attach it to your Apple Watch, you have to put it here and slide it to other side. Yes, you have to slide it. Here you can see the gap between Apple Watch and here you have to attach it. And for that you have to slide it to other side like this. And now below side, same method. Just slide down and it will attach. Now here is the interesting part. Most users here make mistakes because they don't know which side is above and which side is below. I'm talking about this strap. You have to put this side on above. You should attach like this. Make sure this side is above and this side is below. The structure and design of the Apple Watch strap is different. You might make mistake and think that this side is below and this side is up. But no friends, this side is up and this side is below. So make sure like that. And now after that, put your Apple Watch on your wrist. Here like this. And after that, depending on your wrist, you should adjust it. For my wrist, I will tuck in first hole like this. And finally, you can see Apple Watch on my wrist. And now you are ready to use it. Like on left hand, same method you can apply on right hand. I hope now you understand how to attach Apple Watch strap and how to wear it on your wrist. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you.